Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss Laravel 11 complete user login and registration functionality in Laravel 11 authentication with Auth UI package. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQLi. Let's run localhost PSP my admin already. Let's this my Gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this open cmd. Let's open this cmd. Successfully cmd open. Laravel 11 project is not available. Let's new project is create. This command is a copy Laravel 11. This folder name is underscore 11. Let's paste here this command inside this not available and enter. This successfully create this Laravel 11 this project. Please wait installation step by step. Please wait installation Laravel 11. Successfully installation this Laravel package. This command is successfully install is done. Next command is cd Laravel underscore 11. This command inside this add this already available htdoc. This htdoc let's same name is a copy. This command copy and paste here and enter. Successfully available this htdoc folder inside this add. This good working. Let's PSP artisan server copy this command PSP artisan server and paste here. And this URL is a copy 127.0.01. Let's run. Successfully Laravel. Successfully installation Laravel version 11.0.7 PSP version 8.2.12. This successfully PSP version and Laravel version is successfully new. Working good. Let's open this project is my Sublime text editor. Let's project is my open my Sublime text editor successfully working. Let's font is small. Let's next command is add this PSP artisan server. First of all, this command is stop control plus C. Let's control C. This command is stop PSP artisan server. Let's copy this command PSP artisan migrate and paste here. And this info nothing to migrate. This info nothing to migrate is available. Let's .env file is check this .env file. Open this env file and composer.json this Laravel 11 and PSP version 8.2. This close this file and this inside this setting this remove this database connection inside this MySQLi. This hashtag is a remove. This all hashtag remove. This database name is a change. This database name is a 11. Let's same name is a copy this copy and this inside this 11 underscore 11. Otherwise same is a Laravel. Otherwise Laravel is a good. Let's copy this database name inside this new database is create this Laravel underscore 11. Let's create successfully database is a create. This is a blank. Let's again this import this command PSP artisan migrate and enter. This nothing but this file is not a save. Let's this file is a save after add command. Let's add and enter. Successfully all table is created PSP artisan migrate. Let's refresh this page and successfully this all table is create user session this all create. Let's user click this no entry is available only blank table. Let's next command is add. Otherwise this first of all this all setting. Let's this project is open and this PSP artisan good working PSP artisan. Let's same name is a command PSP artisan server this command and add. This copy this URL and paste here. Otherwise this already available. Refresh successfully working. This my project is available Laravel 11 inside this public. Let's localhost Laravel 11 inside this public. This project is a manually run. This not run public. This on access is a file. This file is a access. Less.env file is a access.env. This access, this inside this all credential is a show. This database name, root, this all credential is a show. Let this credential is a hide. Let's public inside this all folder is a cut. This folder is a cut. This Laravel underscore public inside this cut, and Laravel underscore inside this paste here. Successfully paste, and this index dot html php in this open. Let's refresh this page, and this error good working. This not accessible. This working is a fine. Let's .env file .env, and this access. Let's dot file open. This file is open. This file is open. Dot httscs. This file open. Inside this simple 2-line is a code is a add. This 2-line is a code add. This don't. This save file and close this. Please writing this code and close this. Let's refresh this hard refresh, and this show good working. This public and this URL is a good working. This not accessible. This not show. Let's remove this all remove, and this error is a show. Let's auto load this path is a remove. This not path show. Open this. This name is a index.php. Inside this storage, remove save file, remove and remove. Successfully save, and this index. Let's refresh this page. Good working. This Laravel 11 is a good working. This is a working, but this is not working. Inside this automatically refresh this page, but this error. Let's close this. Inside this close, control C, but this manually working is a fine. Let's login register. Inside this 2 button is a add login register, forget password, mail send. Let's refresh this page. Successfully working good. Let's next command is available. This close this file, and inside this add copy same name is a copy and paste here. This paste .env file, this .env app URL, and this remove last, and this working copy same name is a copy. Inside this add the working is a good manually, not a command show. This command is a stop. Let's Laravel underscore 11 inside this new command is a add this command. Composer require Laravel UI. This copy and paste here. Please wait installation this command. Successfully Laravel UI. This command is a installation good. This working. Next command is a PHP artisan bootstrap auth. Let's insert and paste here. And this yes, no, this yes is available and enter. Successfully add. Next is a npm installer. This copy same name is a copy and paste here. npm installation. This Laravel underscore 11 inside this all installation. This installation st.doc Laravel underscore 11. This npm folder, this node module is created. Successfully installation. And last command is a npm run dev. This command is a copy npm run dev and install. And this successfully available http laravel 11 underscore. This successfully this name. this URL, this remove this and save. So but this automatically is a remove. This local host, this automatically remove, and Control Z save file. This save inside this automatically is a working good. Working is a good. This URL is a copy. Otherwise this already run my project and refresh this page. Successfully available. Login and register. Click this login. Click this login. Please wait. This login form. First time is a time. Click this login. Please wait. This URL is the same, is a copy. Successfully this login is available. Let's registration. Click this and registration, and this forget password. This forget password. Good working. This authentication is a good working. Let's next step is this name is a change. This name database PSP mail send. This forget password. Let's open this, copy this website name. This name is a copy mail trap. This mail trap is a copy website. My official website is a errorsolution.com. This code. This any doubt, so please contact this Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. Otherwise this project is available. Lost of project is available. Purchase. This tutorial is available. This PSP tutorial, Laravel tutorial is all is available inside this. Please subscribe and check this my website inside this available. This my official website error solution. Please subscribe, follow this all channel. This GitHub, Facebook, Instagram all is available. This subscribe. Let's next is this PSP credential. This website is a copy and open inside this, open and paste here, and this login, accept. My email ID is a set. Let's check this my email ID. This inbox, click this inbox. Inside this set Laravel 9, not a 11, this 9, and same name is a copy sm mailer, this smtp, this same.env file open. Inside this log is a remove. Next is a host name, this name. This 2525 is already available. This copy, same name is a copy, username this TLS, and this my email ID is available, this email ID. This credential is a set, but this wait, this email ID, this copy email ID, my personal email ID, this copy and paste here, this remove. And this is a set, but this YouTube privacy policy, stop video and set this credential. Let's stop video and credential set. Successfully set and start again this video. This successfully set inside this set and working good. Let's check this user table is a refresh. This user table not a entry available. Let's new account create, and this start, this npm run dev is a start. This already start, not a close. This anytime is a npm run dev is a start. This project inside this project inside this start. Let's registration new account. This account password is a 789, this 789, this 12345 this registration, and this password is a show and don't save. Successfully this dashboard is available. Let's refresh this page, and this same name is a copy, this email account is a copy, and again this logout and this login. Click this login and this paste here password is a 123456789 and login. successfully is a your dashboard is a login. Let's log out and forget password is a set. This same name is a forget password is a add. Let's copy this password copy and paste here this forget password. Inside this not a mail available, this mail is not available. Let's same name is copy and reset password, click this. Reset password inside this add. Successfully you have email is sent, reset password. Let's refresh this page, this is available. Let's copy this mail inside this available, this good working. Let's reset and this working fine, this email id. Let's password is a change 987654321, 987654321 and reset. This show this password and don't save. This successfully login. Let's log out and this new password is just refresh this page. Inside this password is a change, this password is a change, successfully change. Let's copy this email account. Inside this new password is a add, otherwise old password is a add. This old password and login not working. Old password is a add but this not working. Let's new password is a add and working is a good. Let's login this new password, successfully login, good working. This project is a successfully working. Inside this click this home page is a working, this already dashboard.